oatmeal on the cup, egg whites. That's all I need.
For those of you wondering what this is a total TBT video. I found this buried in my archives and I thought, why didn't I ever put this out there? I don't know, I guess I didn't have time to edit it. But anyways, here it is, full throttle, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I'm gonna start winding my hair. I decided not to do my natural curls for this audition. Made myself some breakfast, washed my face. I'm gonna start with my hair first, just cause I'm gonna pin it up. I went to bed early. I went to bed like at 11:30. Then I woke up like around 1, I think. Maybe I went to bed around midnight. Then I woke up around 1. And I was like, oh my God, where am I? How big? Oh my gosh. 7:30. So I'm gonna do my hair for, let's just say, 30 minutes, and then the rest of the hour I'm going to do my makeup, get dressed, tan a little bit. The good thing is this week I went to the pool and I got a little bit of a natural suntan. So when I put my body shimmer tanner on, it's gonna look really nice because I'm already mostly tan. So it'll give me like a glow. I'm just gonna start from the back. I'm taking it in like small to medium sections. And I'm gonna take it upside down and I'm just gonna twist. I think I need a new wand. Do y'all have any recommendations for like new hot tools? I don't leave it hanging on there for very long. This wand is like super hot AF. And then I'm gonna alternate. I'm not gonna do it like all going one way like I usually do. Backwards or forwards with the curls, so that way I can get like more volume, more dimension, and it'll look bigger too. And I also have my teasing brush here. Oh, top twisting. And then I'm just gonna twist it back. Okay, so I got to my flight like an hour and a half before my plane was supposed to take off. So I'm waiting and my flight gets delayed. Well, my flight gets delayed 2 hours. So I was at the airport for like almost 4 hours. My plane was supposed to take off at 4:30. I didn't leave until 7. So I got here like super late. Did you just wake up? I heard your alarm going off like 4 times. And I was like, that was me this morning. Oh, this hot, be careful. Jaclyn, thank you.
I just kind of woke up to like come and tell you good luck.
Oh, thanks. Oh, you're so sweet. So I just finished. I ran out of body pins, so I had to kind of improvise here. It is 7:45. I'm gonna start doing my face, my eyes first, and then I'm gonna do my foundation off camera. So let's just start. Eyes. Oh, that's way too much concealer. Go back, go back, go back. I hate when I do that. It just like comes out of nowhere. I kind of stopped using eye primer. Instead, I just been using like concealer as like my base. Hold on, let me turn this down. What is this? Set Nudes. I don't really know what to expect on this tryout because I don't know if you guys remember, but I was supposed to audition for the Dallas Mavericks a couple years ago, but I didn't because it was around the time when the Dallas shooting downtown happened, and I think there was a police officer who got shot. I think there was 4 police officers who got shot and killed, and then a lot of people were injured. Devastating, terrible tragedy. Senseless tragedy. I was supposed to drive from San Antonio to Dallas, but I didn't because of that. I was supposed to drive down, I think, that evening, and then I was like, okay, well, let me just think about this. And I was talking to my other friend who lives in Dallas, and she was like, it's really bad, like a lot of the roads are closed. And I was looking it up on Google, and a lot of the roads were closed. And I mean, I don't remember how long the thing lasted, but I just didn't want to be anywhere near Dallas. And so I was just like, you know what, it's like not even that worth it. Like it's fine. Like I was half expecting them to reschedule it because like you don't know whose families were affected by this. I mean, any of the participants could have, been related to any of the officers or husbands, wives, brothers, fathers, sisters. Like, you just don't know who is going to be affected by what. And I just thought, okay, they have to reschedule it, right? They just have to. Well, they didn't. They proceeded, you know, as if nothing happened, I guess. If I remember correctly, the audition wasn't too far from there. And I was watching it on social media. I mean, everything seemed fine and everything, but like still, I just wasn't expecting that. This one looks like a pretty cool color. Now I get to try out again with this color next. This time, I came prepared. I brought my headshot, resume, and a full body and cash, so I should be all gravy there. I'm just gonna tap it. I don't really know exactly where it's gonna go. I'm gonna try and do a bit of a cut crease, but I can't make any promises because this brush is rather large. So I know that the first round is going to be freestyle, and then I'm wondering how quickly they're gonna turn around and do the second round, or if they're gonna do just 2 rounds, or if they're gonna do 3 rounds. I don't know. And then I'm gonna do my foundation and my brows, and I'll be back. I'll be back with my contour. And I'm gonna be using these lashes. My first time using them. They're pretty good so far. I like them. They're a little bit more than the wispies that I'm used to. It's called Pompadour. So I'm gonna do the other eye now. Okay, so it is 9:02. I don't know how I do this to myself, where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna leave like by 9, and then, you know, I'll get there in like 12 minutes, whatever. But then I'm still like getting ready. I'm almost done. As you can see, I have my top on. I just gotta finish this contour, and then I'm gonna put some body tanner on, and then I think I'll be good to go. I'm using a little sample of the Fenty. It is called Candy Venom. Let's see how this turns out. I think it's gonna be like, yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I am just about ready to leave. As you can see, my hair is like super curly right now. Look how short it looks. But that's okay because I'm gonna be dancing and you know it's gonna fall. So I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, so I'm just kind of putting some volumizing powder in my hair. Kind of help smooth it out. It is like 9:30, so I really gotta get rolling. So I just sprinkle this on my hair. Volumizing this BR. My hair is always like, nah, I'm gonna do this instead. I know you want me to do this, but I'm gonna do what I want to do. My hair is a rebellious teenage girl. That's what it is. Okay, I am tan now. I am on the way. My chest looks a little bit tanner than my stomach, but I'll fix that later. Okay, I will see you guys in a minute.